Okay, well, it's the third day. It's morning. We're out of Bailey's Harbor again. The water's finally starting to mix back into a normal distribution. Normal. The surface temp around here is closer to the 60s instead of, or mid 60s, I should say. Down to where we're fishing is kind of warmer as well, about 50s, mid 50s instead of low to mid 40s, which is, I don't know, take it as you will. There could be a potential for bigger fish. Last night we picked up that pretty decent king. The wind is basically, again, non-existent. The waves, I'll show you. It's pretty much glass out here. We counted 17 boats. I mean, it is, what, a Saturday? Presentation-wise, we're kind of doing the same thing we've been doing. We've been seeing a lot of success off of the dipsies and the lead cores. Word on the street is that 45 feet down is the money shot. So we've been seeing a lot of our success around that range too. So we're just gonna keep on keeping on and then switch it up later if necessary. But a very nice morning, to say the least. You got it. Don't make it obvious, Joe. Don't make it obvious.
Leave everything down there for now. Okay.
Nice. Oh yeah, he was not getting off.
His mouth was fastened shut by the hooks.
Nice. Wildflower. If you've ever smelled what a tansy smells like, that's what this tastes like. Pretty good.
Grab that dipsy over there.
Oh. Come on, man. This guy does not want to budge. It's not moving. It's like a rock. If it's not spinning, it's a big fish. Oh.
You trying to pull him in at all?
I can't move him. He did not like that at all. Okay, so we've got a 30 on. We got a 30 pounder. Holy shit.
Using that line back.
We're at yes. Yeah. Finally, we're hooked into jaws.
Slow ahead. I can go slow ahead. Come on down and chum some of this shit.
Bird does. All right, you can have it. You can have it. That's you. That's all you. Okay, we got 160 on him. 130. We're at 100. 78. 50. He's staying low. Oh, here he goes. He's shaking. Yeah. Yep. There he is. There he is. 40. I think he's bugging. 16. Oh. Look at that broadside. Oh. Here he is. Beauty.
He's only 20 pounds.
The thing is on. Like, what are we doing here? It's frozen. It's frozen. The camera crashed. Oh my god.
Nice.
Beauty. Are you actually rolling this time? Good. There we go.
30. As soon as the dipsy pops out of the water, he's coming in the boat.
Yep. Jesus. I wonder why that one didn't trip.
Squid.
Oh yeah. I mean, still it.
For me to run with the not strip dipsy.
Jesus. Oh, huh, dude. Nice steely.
Pretty fish. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Y'all are pretty.
Yeah, bar 30.